If you've ever wanted to start dropshipping but felt overwhelmed by suppliers, shipping delays, or choosing the right products, this video is for you. Welcome back to Nextcope AI, your shortcut to the smartest tool on the market. Today, I'm testing Doba, a platform designed to simplify dropshipping from start to scale without juggling multiple tools. In this video, I'll walk you through how it works and why it's built for people who want to focus on selling and scaling, not managing logistics. I'll also show you the seller dashboard so you can see how everything fits together in real life. Before we start, we should know what Doba is and who it's for. So, Doba is a dropshipping platform that connects sellers with 1 million plus products from pre-vetted suppliers, most of them with US-based warehouses. Why does this matter? Because it means fast shipping, more reliable fulfillment, less customer complaints. Doba is designed for beginners launching their first store. Shopify, Amazon, eBay, or TikTok shop sellers that already have their shops on those marketplaces and want to scale their businesses. Entrepreneurs who want structure instead of chaos, because Doba will help them tremendously in organizing their work. Now, let's see how Doba works. At a high level, Doba handles the hardest parts of dropshipping for you. Here's the simple flow. First, you connect your store. Then, find trending or high-profit products, import them with one click, and sell. And Doba handles fulfillment for you. So, no inventory, no packaging, no supplier, everything is centralized inside one dashboard that I will show you in a few seconds. But now, let's start step by step. Once you're on the platform, click Get Started, and as you can see, you have a 14-day trial just for $0.99 to try it. Once you log in with your Google account, you will see pricing screen. Doba offers flexible plans depending on where you are in your business. If you're just getting started, the limited plan covers the essentials: one store integration, one-click product listings, AI picker access, and 24/7 support. It's designed to help you launch without committing to heavy automation. The basic plan is a step up for growing sellers. You get more product listings, higher inventory capacity, stronger research tools, and automation features like AI Auto Lister, useful once you start testing and scaling products. For sellers who want full control and speed, the standard plan unlocks advanced automation, multiple store integrations, API access, and access to the Doba Elite Academy. This is clearly built for serious scaling. And if you're running high volume across multiple stores, Enterprise is made for that level, with higher limits, faster API access, and maximum automation. What I like is that you can choose monthly, quarterly, or annual billing, so you're not locked into one path as your business grows. Once you're inside My Doba, this is basically your command center. At the top, you can see your account status, store category, free trial access, and quick stats like orders, messages, and product updates. What I like here is that Doba doesn't just give you tools, it gives you structure. You get step-by-step selling challenges from your first sale to optimizing and then scaling, so you're not guessing what to do next. On the right, you'll find your to-do list, wallet setup, and reports, everything you need to run the business side smoothly. There's also the Doba Elite Academy with masterclasses, guides, and resources covering product research, marketing, and TikTok shop, especially helpful if you're newer to dropshipping. And at the bottom, Doba actively recommends trending and ready-to-sell products so you can start exploring ideas right away instead of searching blindly. On the left side, you've got a clear and simple navigation menu. The AI Tool Hub is where you access Doba's AI-powered tools for product research and product listing. We'll take a closer look at this later in the video. My Products is where you add and manage your listings, including inventory and pricing. Right below that, My Orders lets you manage everything you're selling and track your performance all in one place. Now, the Stores section is where things get really powerful. Doba supports one-click store connections with major platforms like Shopify, eBay, TikTok Shop, BigCommerce, Wix, and Walmart. You can also connect Amazon, Newegg, WooCommerce, Square, and Shift4Shop, or download and upload products manually if you prefer. One important update here is Temu, which is one of the newest platforms joining Doba's ecosystem, making it easier to list and manage products on a fast-growing marketplace. And if you don't already have a store, Doba also gives you the option to build your own store with AI, so you can get started without setting anything up from scratch. You can handle payments and balances inside Wallet and upgrade your plan anytime through Pricing Plan. And if you want to monetize beyond your own store, there's also an affiliate program built directly into the platform. Overall, this dashboard feels less like a tool and more like a guided system for building a real dropshipping business. One thing that really helps when you're choosing products on Doba is how easy it is to filter and explore selections. At the top, you can browse TikTok shop selections. These are products already aligned with what's working well on TikTok right now. Right next to that, you've got Temu selections, which is great if you want to test products on one of the fastest growing platforms. Then you can narrow things down even more. There's top ranking, so you're instantly looking at products that are already performing well. High profit lets you focus on items with better margins, which is huge if you don't want to guess profitability. You've also got new arrivals, perfect for catching trends early before everyone else jumps in. If you're more focused on reliability, you can switch to premium suppliers, so you're sourcing from higher quality partners. And when you're looking for aggressive pricing, there's Blowout Sale, which is ideal for promotions or quick testing. You can also browse by platform-specific demand, like Amazon selections or Shopify selections, depending on where you're selling. For logistics, filters like Ship from US and free shipping make it easy to reduce delivery time and improve conversion rates. All of this means you're not scrolling randomly or guessing. Doba lets you choose products strategically based on platform, profit, speed, and demand. And that saves a lot of time when you're building or scaling a store. Now let's go back to the Doba AI Tool Hub, because this is where Doba really shows what AI-driven dropshipping means. Inside, you'll see several tools designed to handle the hard parts for you. You've got the AI Store Builder, which lets you launch a ready-to-sell store in minutes. One store, one clean theme, and a set of winning products already selected. Then there's AI Picker, designed to help you find products fast, based on niche data and real market signals. Here, you simply choose a category and instantly Doba generates a list of relevant products. No scrolling through endless catalogs, no guessing what might work. What's really powerful is that you can refine your search just by talking to the AI. For example, I can type filter by top sellers, and within seconds, Doba updates the list to show top selling products only. From there, it's just one more click. You select the product you like and add it directly to your listings. That's it. No copy pasting, no manual uploads, no extra steps. This is exactly what makes Doba different. It doesn't just show you products, it helps you find, filter, and list them in minutes. Beyond AI Picker, you also have tools like AI Auto Lister, which keeps your store fresh with new products and real-time inventory sync. AI Listing Migrator, so you can move listings across connected stores with one click. AI Listing Optimizer, which creates smart titles and descriptions using SEO-friendly keywords. And Doba is constantly adding more AI tools on top of this. The whole idea is simple: less time managing tools and more time actually selling. The last powerful section I want to highlight inside Doba is the Video Hub. Instead of guessing what might sell, you can explore winning products through videos. You'll find sourcing ideas with expert-picked trending products, influencer picks showing products already validated by creators, and supplier showcases where you get free, ready-to-use video ads, no filming, no editing needed. It's built to help you go from product discovery to promotion much faster. And when you combine this with Doba's AI tools, store integrations, and automation, you can see the bigger picture. Doba isn't just helping you find products, it's helping you launch, test, and scale without unnecessary friction. If you're serious about starting or growing a dropshipping business, check out Doba through the link in the description and explore the platform for yourself. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart AI tools. This is Nextcope AI. See you in the next one.